In this video, I'll be going over equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that may have different numbers but have the same value. And you could get to the equivalent fraction by either multiplication or division. And because of that, the equivalent fraction could be unlimited numbers of. Here is an example. 1/4. What would the equivalent fraction be? To get the equivalent fraction, you would need to multiply the denominator and the numerator by the same number, or divide the denominator and the numerator by the same number. In this case, 1/4, if we want to times by 2, and the same in the numerator, the result that we would have would be 2/8. So this is the equivalent value of 1/4. Now what if I wanted to multiply by 5? Then we would have 5/20. And that is the equivalent fraction of 1/4. What about 100? If we multiply 1 by 100 and 4 by 100, we would have 100/400. And that is also an equivalent fraction of 1/4. So as you can see, there would be unlimited number of equivalent fractions because you would be able to multiply by whatever number that you wish to and still be equivalent to 1/4. So even if we were to go more extreme, 1 times by, say, 10,000, and 4 times by 10,000, we would have 10,000/40,000. And that is an equivalent fraction to 1/4. Now let's try a different one. 15/60. With this fraction, we could multiply or we could divide, because both numbers could be divisible by a certain number. In this case, 15 could be divisible by 5, same for 60, and we will have 3/12. And that is equivalent to 15/60. You will be able to also divide by a different number if you wish. For example, you can also divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So 5/20 is also equivalent to 15/60. Or you could even divide by 15. That would come out to 1 and 4. Or maybe you want to multiply, say by 2. You would have 30 and 120. So everything here are equivalent to 15/60. So there's an unlimited number of possibility when it comes to equivalent fractions. Now what if you have something like this, where it's giving you a certain value of the denominator and asks you to provide the numerator value? For something like this, there would be only one answer because the denominator has already been determined to be 15. So to solve this, we would find out 5 need to times by 3 to reach 15. So 4 would need to times by 3 as well. And so 4 times 3 equals 12. So 12 over 15 would be the answer. Now what about this one? It's asking for the denominator value and giving you the numerator value. So 12 over 30 equals 6 over what number? So an example like this, we will find out the numerator is divisible by 2 to reach 6. So we need to do the same in the denominator. 30 divided by 2, and the answer is 15. So these four are examples of how you will find equivalent fractions, either by unlimited combinations of values or a predetermined value asking you to find either the numerator or the denominator of that fraction. We also have other tutorials in fractions, and you can find them in the plate. And you can find them in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.